Cheers!
Ako'y nasa Malate, alas 7 ng gabi. Daratay ng happy Oras na aking balik, di mo pa nakalikan. Oh yeah, at pinatay ang ilaw. Oh madalas, agising nang nalabot na buko ng girlfriend ko. Mahirap ko, wala sa isip ko. Pwede ba? Oh yeah, namanatay ang ilaw.
Hi guys! Right now, we're just having a fun here. It's Kylie's birthday. Say hi! Hi girl! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Buttercup! Buttercup! Oh, mom girls!
The birthday girl. Happy birthday, Kai! What's your message to the birthday girl?
Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Birthday message for the birthday girl.
Birthday, keep it up, you know. Just, you know, patuloy lang ang
Okay.
pagbablog.
Okay. Your birthday message?
Happy birthday, Kylene. Yun lang, happy birthday.
What's your message to the birthday girl?
Happy birthday, Kylene. I think she's 24, so happy 24th birthday. Good luck.
Okay, your turn.
Happy 24th birthday, Kylene. Thanks for the invite.
Okay. Oh, ikaw naman. What's your message to Kailin?
Kylene! Happy birthday! Yun lang.
What's your message to Kailin?
More
ano?
beds.
Beds? Saan beds? What's your message? Message ka, Gagi. Stay healthy and happy life. Hi, Kailin. It's me. Yeah. Hi, Kailin. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Happy birthday,
Naman yan ng formally na lang.
Hey! Good dancing queen!
Young and sweet, only 17.
Basta po ang buhay sa pagiging OFW.
Ang hirap.
Ang hirap.
Ang hirap pag wala kang papel.
Oy. Oh, kita ko nga po sir. Ano, naglilinis ka. Anong pinupunasan nyo?
Dito sa abroad, alam mo magsipag, maglinis, mag-ano ka lang.
Tama, ano? Ganon ang hirap dito sa abroad. Madaling buhay sa abroad. Hindi, ha? Kaya huwag kayo mag-gusto muna sa pera pag may pinapadala sa inyo. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Hardworking yan. Ha? Grabe kaya mga pinapadala.
Isang oras, 1 million sahod namin dito. Kaya gastos ko lang dyan.
Oo nga.
Joke lang.
You belong with me. Everywhere we thought just
You were driving to my house, like I know it's in me. Standing by, waiting at your back door all the time. How could you not know, baby? You'll always be.
It's really good to
Never want to save you, but try to make it hard to be faithful. The lips of an I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes. Take it to the good times. See it through the bad times. Let us say we're crazy. It's hold you forever. Oh my God, we're like a singer. Happy birthday, Thank you. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Dance, love us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
Kaya bang ibalik daw ang bawat saglit ng sakit ngayong wala ka na? Di kaya mag-isa, so kasama kita. Sa'yo lang ang pag-ibig ko. Ito ba lang ulit? Ikaw maling pag-ibig ko. Wala sa aking piling. Muling mahal kay mapalit, pagtiwala ulit. Muling ibalik ang pag-ibig na dati sa akin.
Na mga Sharon! Ayan na! Ayan na mga taga Sharon! Thank you, bye! Ayan, girl, Sharon.
Balutin mo ako.